Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. BFR beef steaks on the grill on the Blackstone. I have turned it on a low. I have put a little bit of olive oil on the grill. I'm now going to take my steaks and put them on. And I'm only using 1/2 of the grill tonight because that's all I needed. Now, I am simply going to let this cook to about medium well, and my part of it will be to medium rare to medium, but I'm going to cook these to medium well. I will take a photo of this when we're done, and I'll post it under this vlog. A lot of people ask me how I clean this grill, and I simply, once I'm done, I take the food in, I come back out here, turn everything off. While it's hot, I put water on it, just like a squirt bottle of water, and then I take this scraper and scrape it to the back of the grill, all of the yucky stuff. There's a reservoir back there that catches it, and then I simply do it water again on it, and then I'll wipe it down a little bit, get it good and clean, get all the muck off, and then I also put just a thin layer back on of the olive oil. That way it's kind of like a black iron skillet. You have to keep it seasoned, and I don't want it to dry out so that it rusts. So that is what I'm doing tonight for dinner. I will leave these on just like this and turn them one time, hopefully, and get them done to the doneness that we like. So that's what's happening in my kitchen tonight. I will show you a picture of the finished product when it's all done. Onions and peppers would be great on it. I didn't have any, and my guys won't eat peppers. They would eat just cooked onions, but no peppers. But anyway, this grill, I have loved it since the day we got it. It's a Blackstone skillet. You can find them at Lowe's Hardware, Home Depot, Walmart. You can look them up online. It's Blackstone. That's what I'm doing tonight in our kitchen. I hope that's something that you would like to do at some point. But BFR beef, the grill pack, $60. I told you about it when we were live a minute ago. And I actually wrote it down and brought my paper out here so I wouldn't forget. You get your choice of the Chop House pack, 2 New York strips or 2 ribeyes, 2 4-packs or 4 patties of hamburger meat, or you can get just the hamburger meat, 2 packs of those, and that's $85.15 ground beef. So if that's something you'd like to check into, they will mail it directly to you. Go to bfrbeef.com, and I will see y'all when I see you. Y'all take care and have a good evening. See y'all.